Here I've got Nokia X71 and let me show you how to activate and use portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to network and internet, and now go to hotspot and tethering. Go to Wi-Fi hotspot, which is the first tab, and now you can smoothly activate and deactivate it by using this switcher. So just like that, it's active. You can locate the sign here, right next to the battery icon, and then you can switch it off the same way, smoothly by tapping. Then you can also change the network name and the password. So let me click on hotspot name, and now it can be changed smoothly by entering a new one. Click on OK to save it, and then you can also change the password. So let's click on hotspot password, delete the current one, and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. Then click on OK, and all is done. So from now on you can personalize your hotspot, and also you can turn it on and off whenever you want to, but also you can have quick access to Wi-Fi hotspot through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate the icon, which is here, tap on it, and now Wi-Fi hotspot is active. Then if you'd like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time, and now it's deactivated. So that would be all. This is how you can use portable hotspot in your Nokia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.